beta oxidation of fatty acids. Fatty acids are oxidized by alpha beta gamma oxidations. So friends, fatty acid are oxidized, must remember, oxidized by alpha beta gamma oxidations. Means fatty acid has alpha beta gamma positions, must remember, and where where it is oxidation. Beta oxidation is the most important pathway. Beta oxidation means oxidation takes place in the beta carbon of the fatty acid. Reaction of the beta oxidations. This portion is very important. Which portion? Reaction of beta oxidation is very important. The 5 steps of beta oxidations of fatty acids are activities of fatty acid to form acyl-CoA. So friends, must remember this topic. You should be remember acyl-CoA. Acyl-CoA should be remembered. This is the fatty acid to form acyl-CoA. And after that, formation of alpha beta unsaturated acyl-CoA, and formation of beta hydroxy acyl-CoA, and formation of beta keto acyl-CoA. So friends, whatever we learn, we have learned that it is the 5 steps. Number 1 is activities of fatty acid to form a acyl-CoA, and formation of alpha beta unsaturated acyl-CoA, and formation of beta hydroxy acyl-CoA, and formation of beta keto acyl-CoA. And next is formation of acetyl-CoA. So next step is our Krebs cycle. The next step is Krebs cycle. So friends, we are coming a chart where I discuss beta oxidation of fatty acid. We are coming a chart. Here you can see that a long chain fatty acid, this is the long chain fatty acid, and where is the alpha beta positions, you will see this is the beta positions of the fatty acid, R16 beta fatty acid. And with the help of the thiokinase we get whatever we get, friends, acyl. We say we get acyl-CoA. We can get acyl-CoA. So it is acyl-CoA. So it is fatty acyl-CoA. We get fatty acyl-CoA, and where you see that ATP and ATP is converted into AMP plus PI, and where Mg2 plus, it is the another agent Mg2 plus we use. So friends, whatever we can get fatty acyl-CoA, and we see easily that this is the fatty acyl-CoA, and this is the diagram of the fatty acyl-CoA. And after that, friends, whatever it is coming, after that we use the enzyme acts as a catalyst. So enzyme is acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. This enzyme is acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. And whatever we get alpha beta, we get trans anoyl-CoA, we get trans del square anoyl-CoA. This value we can get fatty acyl dehydrogenase, we get trans del square anoyl-CoA. This is the this fact is called alpha beta unsaturated acyl-CoA. This is the alpha beta unsaturated. This is alpha beta unsaturated acyl-CoA. After next we get beta hydroxy acyl-CoA. Next we get beta hydroxy acyl-CoA. Anoyl-CoA is hydratase hydrations. And next next steps is beta hydroxy acyl CoA and dehydrogenase. Next I use beta hydroxy acyl CoA dehydrogenase NAD D plus NAD H plus H plus. So we can get beta keto acyl CoA, and after that acyl CoA acetyl transferase. Next is acyl CoA acetyl transferase. So friends, our 5 steps you will see. Then next I get fatty acyl CoA and acetyl CoA. So friends, whatever we get 5 steps. This is the activation position. This is the activations of the acyl CoA. This is the activation of the acyl CoA fatty acid and alpha beta unsaturated. I get alpha beta unsaturated acyl CoA and beta hydroxy acyl CoA and beta keto acyl CoA, and after that I get acetyl CoA and acyl CoA, and then it start Krebs cycle. Friends, I have taught that Krebs cycles is very very important, where we see acetyl CoA is acetyl CoA with the help of the enzyme citrate synthesis. We get citrate, and after that we see alpha ketoglutarate, and it is the we get a circle. That circle is Krebs cycle, and this is very very important. So friends, whatever I have taught, must remember long chain fatty acid activation, activation. After that we get alpha beta unsaturated fatty acyl CoA. After that we get beta hydroxy acyl CoA, beta keto acyl CoA, and next we get fatty acyl CoA and acetyl CoA. Thank you friends for watching.